In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business portfolio, step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite using your Facebook account. From the dashboard, open the Business Profile menu and select Create a Business Portfolio or Create Business, depending on your account version. Enter your business name, and your business email address. Then continue with the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your business portfolio. Once it's created, open Business Settings to add your Facebook page, Instagram account, ad account, and other business assets. You can also go to People to invite employees or partners and assign the appropriate permissions. If you're planning to run ads, set up your ad account and payment method as needed. Finally, review your business information and security settings to make sure everything is correct. That's how you can create a Facebook business portfolio using Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.